Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, welcome people. Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. I am going to present to you pieces of videos that are about a type of situation. But before I get to that topic, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show at least one insect of your subscribers. And you might be surprised to see where the insect was at. So in the video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person mentioned a name of a supermarket, but I somewhat edit the video to remove the name that had been mentioned for at least one reason. You know, one of those reasons is because I don't have certain confirmed information about some words that had been said in the video. Anyways, one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is to help bring an awareness. And I want to say to each and every one, please be very careful of what you buy and eat. I know that no one is perfect, but at the same time, try your best to be very careful. See? Anyways, take a look at this video and listen carefully. Tell me what I think. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
She put up on the rice them in a blood clot. See this? This a clot on the blood feed rice them in a
you see?
You see
that?
See this?
Watch it. Look.
Teenager this in a
look.
crawl on the blood clot rice them in a supermarket. Me a video this now, you're using me a bash. But the reality is just to show blood clot teenager this you know.
No one is perfect, but be careful. Just be careful. So I say, I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. I'm going to move on to another topic. Oh, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, and remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened when a person had been held or detained by police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. I got the understanding that the person's hands had been handcuffed, or handcuffed had been placed on the person's two hands. So I got the understanding from those pieces of videos that at one point police was in the process of removing the person from a compound or premises, and the situation escalated to a point where the person had been held by police and the person's hands had been handcuffed. Viewers and subscribers, let's take a look at these pieces of videos and get some form of understanding about this type of situation. I mean, based on the situation that I can see in these pieces of videos, who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the situation. Let me know what you think based on comments that I can make in the comment section of this video. Anyways, viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me. Here's one of the videos.
I'm not taking a spot, I'm saying, because you are willing to move me. Yes, I am not taking a spot. I'm standing up to move me. Nothing that way. Not exactly. Right? I am resisting.
So, you have to come up the compound and I'll do what you're going about it, right? You're really doing it. You're really doing it. You're going up the compound and you're going up the
Staples. Hey, you're recorded.
You might go with your phone name. You're breaking the law. I want your phone name. That is what I want. Your phone name. Are you recording enough for that? I don't feel like staying in that one. Because me, this is taking the people.
Apparently, this is what you want, right? Because we asking nicely.
You want to she's put on handcuff. I'm obey. Let go me. Let go me. Right. I'm not interested. Let go me.
Pulling your hands away is
But let go me, right? Adrian.
Sir, pulling
Why you stand up with my hand, man? Why you stand up with my hand, man?
Pulling your hands.
You stand up with my hand. Let go me, right? You're the last one.
We can't.
Let go me, right? Bob there. Let's say fair or yeah. Go to the recording there. Can you see me?
Very good, very good, very good.
So it's a fight.
Very good.
Look, my friend. You. Away from me. Away from him. Think what?
Alright, my people, let's take a look at a longer video about the same situation. Observe.
At union office, I come to drop off from some comrades because they was wrongfully suspended by this new executive. So we asked them, they asked them to come for some meeting today. Up to this day, they can't get them the reason of the suspension. No, but here I telling you, I was now stand up under this cover tree, and all who know Transport Industrial Workers Union yard. I was now stand up under this, and an executive officer now pass here and stop and talk to me and tell me, with them not warring, with them not fighting me, and let we come together because we had to get money. I say, well, take off the expulsion.
Wow.
Right? He say he going up and talk to the executive. But this is the results after the conversation. This is the way they try to resolve matters. So let me hear what the police had to say. And I just like to record for my own personal safety. Right?
Good morning.
Morning, madam. How are you doing?
That's from the Boston Street Police.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, we have this document here.
That's a pop letter. A pop letter is...
you are aware of it?
Yes, I'm aware of a pop letter.
Right, so in this...
Can you explain the letter to me? What is the name of the letter? You asked me if I'm aware of many
You
letters.
said you have one?
No, I'm aware of many letters.
And I said the recording thing, right? So if you're doing
No, this is my right. This is my right.
recording purpose, I know that.
This is my right, but then you break the law and do what you need to do, officer. This is my right to record. If you don't know the law, then I'm not here to argue with you. I'm here to do what is right. And a pop letter must not run and not stop making mischief. A pop letter, a lawyer don't have to go through with that, because when he view the case and realize that this not making sense, he might or might not pick up the matter. But one thing we know for sure is that we are pursuing. No, you can't tell me that. No, I said no, I will. I'm doing this for my safety. Okay? So, you could do so and whatever. If you know the rights of a unionist, an expulsion from a recognized company is failure. So you can't expel me. The court had to determine that any action they have to take, they have to wait on a court order. So not with you calling them and telling them this and showing them all these foolish things. A pop letter is something that a lawyer he uses as an intimidation factor. Right? You do have to go through. Yes, and that way they can do. We are recognized.
Based on this document here, sir, you're not supposed to be on the premises, and we are here
no,
to
ma'am, you don't.
escort
You see,
you off of the premises,
no,
right?
then you need to break the law. You need, and I need you all to record this, because this wouldn't be going like.
We are here to escort you
because
off of the premises. Are you saying that you're not leaving?
I'm not leaving.
You're not leaving,
No,
right?
I don't mind being arrested.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, I don't mind.
Yeah, hear me, people.
Okay.
So, may I get a bit
Leave
of
it up,
understanding
leave
of
it
the
up.
No, I already told you, no, officer. Record this for me, and I hold this for me. I'm not even giving up. I don't think you're off.
In that case,
I'm not taking a spot. So I'm saying, if it's you are willing to remove me, yes, I am not taking a spot. So I'm standing up for you to remove me.
right,
Okay, that's not in that way.
I'm going to remove it. Is that
Not
very
in that
resistant?
way.
Right? So we
I am
remove
resistant.
it. So, we have to go that way, right?
You will not pull my clothes.
You have to come off the compound, and that's the way we're going about it, right?
Hey.
Yeah, you do it. You're going off the compound, and you're going off the
Hey, just walk out and go and forget that now. People. Hey, yeah, and you're being recorded. That's why madness. Okay.
I want your full name. That is what I want. Your full name.
Put on your slippers.
Are you recording that for me? I don't feel like fear anymore. Because me disrespect you, look what you do.
Apparently, this is what you want.
This is what I want,
We
yes.
ask you nicely to
You
remove
want
this.
to
We have to come on.
I'm obeyed. Let go me.
That's not.
Let go me. Right. I'm not interested. Let go me.
Pulling your hands away is
Let go me. Edwin.
Sir, pulling
Why
your
you stand up
hands.
for my hand, right? Why you stand up for my hand, right?
Pulling your hands.
Last thing I'm saying, let go me, right? You're the last one.
Ricardo.
Let go me, right?
So it's up to you
From
now.
there,
Resisting her.
they fly fair on you. Wait, go to your recording there. I'm not seeing it.
Alright, that's it. We didn't know
Let me
which
go, let me
side.
go. Let me go.
Wait, stop, fight.
Let me go.
You friend? Give me that phone there, man. I will phone it. I will phone it. Come on.
You need a copy of the document, right?
Yes, you can take this.
And the person who is making the report, we need. Yeah, you officer. Yeah, in the back of the room. Hey, we know them. Yes, I know. Everybody know them. Them from the back road know them too. So we know them. We know them. We know he. So, we know he. Everybody knows he. You don't get a call already.
Let's go, which spot?
Yeah, that madness.
Let's go, which spot?
That madness.
You can't sit away, people.
Relax. That will deal with. That will sort out with. Relax. That will sort out. Everything is.
Okay, the situation set away, my people. Situation set away. So, who wrong from who right when we look on a situation then? Let me know what you're thinking in the comment section, yeah, my people. You see? You know, I see something in the video that makes me, you know, me think on certain thing. I mean, at one point, me see somebody hold something in a part of the video, and then earlier on in the same video, or in a certain part of the video, me hear when the person said these words. Listen.
We are pursuing. No, you can't tell me that. No, I said no, I will. I'm doing this for my safety. Okay? You could do so whatever.
Yeah, so let me know what you think about the situation there, my people. You set away, you know, just to make you know about it. You see it? I mean, miss the one video on social media, then miss this version, which is the longer version, which I think this give a better understanding about situation. So let me know what you think. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And remember to click all. Until the next time, a million Dancehall skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.